Political instability has rocked Africa's economic boat.
It doesn't look like a place that I want to go and put my money.
Private equity funds have not done well.
The Ghanaian economy at the moment, it's doing terribly.
Financial advisors and consumer advocates say carefully consider the risk.
The International Monetary Fund has just released its economic outlook for sub-Saharan Africa, and it's quite depressing to read.
Because of the different countries, because of the different regulations.
Private equity firms, some say they're putting profits ahead of people.
They are not going to be making large commitments as
Private
they
equity
have done in
funds
the
that invest
past.
in private
Should you be
companies.
investing in Africa?
Do you think private equity firms should be in the
problems I see
business
is
of investing
private
about
equity.
private equity?
Private equity is something that actually changes people's lives, as well as deliver a decent return on invested capital in a sustainable way.
Over the past decade, $52 billion of capital has been deployed right here in Africa.
We're seeing companies grow. We're seeing investors make money.
In 2022, when venture capital fundraising slowed around the world, in Africa, it accelerated.
We saw the number of venture capital deals more than double from 319 in 2020 to 650 in 2021.
Private equity is uniquely positioned to deliver for customers on the ground. What it does best is source entrepreneurs who have looked at a challenge and looked at how they can deliver that profitably.
In 2015, the largest supermarket chain in Nigeria had 15 stores, 1-5. That's just enough stores for a single small city in the US. We partially exited that business, and today that business has over 25 stores. It's a top 3 company.
We have private equity funds across the board investing in medicines. Previously, almost all drugs came from either India or other markets. So we're seeing meaningful dollars going into enabling the production of medicines on the continent.
We've got a portfolio company in South Africa. That company was the first business of its type to have a license to allow it to acquire renewable power. Before that, everyone that had a wind farm or solar farm needed to go to the national electricity company and argue over price and argue over funding. That has changed with our company. That's one example.
One of the businesses that we've invested in is InterSwitch. If you're a trader trying to do a digital transaction, whether you are in a rural area, at home, on your mobile phone, online, it makes it happen for you seamlessly at a cost that is affordable. This wasn't even possible 15 years ago. And in the context of the wallet of a low-income consumer, that is huge.
Africa's biggest assets is its people. It has the youngest population in the world. The productivity gains from that is phenomenal. No other place in the world has the same dynamics. And if we can unlock that, the returns we will make will be 1,000 times.
The real question is,
how are you making a lasting impact in Africa?